Hi, my name is Dallas Mast. I'm on the leadership team here at Edifice Shed Builders. Today, I want to talk to you about our warranty process, what that means, what that covers, and actually take you along as we do a warranty call for one of our customers who had an issue with a window. Every Edifice shed comes with a 5-year warranty that covers the product and our workmanship. Edifice manufactures buildings with premium grade materials, and we believe that if you have premium grade materials and you construct it properly, your building should be free from defects for at least 5 years. Our warranty covers things like a leaking roof, a window that doesn't operate correctly, a door that doesn't operate correctly, things that should be fine, but you may run into an issue due to unknowns such as maybe the building settled a little on the pad that it was sitting on, or just variables that have to do with the weather. So if you see a leak, if you have a door that's not working properly, we care about that. We want to know about that. We want to come out, we'll assess the situation, and we'll determine if it can be repaired or if it needs to be replaced, and then we will take care of that for you. We're all used to warranty statements on every product that we buy, to the point that I myself don't even really know what a warranty statement is on some of the products that we get because of all the fine print. Here at Edifice, one of our core values is innovate simplicity, and we stick to that tenaciously, and our warranty is an example of that. Our warranty statement is simple. We believe your building should be free from defects in material and workmanship for a period of 5 years. And we stand behind that simple claim. For that period of 5 years, if there is a defect in the workmanship or the product, we come out and take care of it. It is our goal to serve you with a 6-star experience, and we stand behind our product and our warranty claim to serve you. Customer experience matters to us in everything we do, and that doesn't stop once you get the building. We offer a strong warranty, a simple warranty, one that's easy to understand and one that we actually remind you of periodically through the 5 years after you get your building, and it's all part of us serving you. It is our goal that the shed purchase and the delivery process is simple, seamless, enjoyable, and exciting, and we want you to have that same excitement. And if you have an issue with something, we want you to know that you can call us and that we'll come out and take care of it. True to our core value of innovating simplicity, we try to do this as well with our warranty process. If you have an issue that you have a question about, maybe your door isn't closing properly, maybe you have some water leaking through a window, something that shouldn't be happening, here's the steps to take care of that. Simply call Edifice, whether you call the number off of Google Maps or our website, or contact the consultant who worked with you, and they can direct you to our warranty department. But call Edifice. We will take down your information, we will find the order of your building, and we will fill out a simple warranty form that we then submit to our warranty department. Our warranty department will review that, contact you to schedule a time to come out and take care of the issue, and then we will show up and assess the situation, make the repair, make the replacement, and make sure that the issue is resolved. And we'll take a few pictures and we'll be on our way. At Edifice, our customers are more than a transaction. We try to build a relationship true to our purpose of building character in people and in structures, and we like the relational aspect of working with a customer. And the warranty to us is just an ongoing part of that relationship. For example, I was thinking of one that we had earlier this year where a door just wasn't sealing properly. Now this shed had been delivered about an hour and a half away, and so we went out there, we took a look at the door, we thought it could be repaired, and we made some adjustments, but it just didn't fix the problem. So what we ended up doing was ordering in a new door and going out there and replacing the entire door, and that solved the issue. That's important to us, and we want you as the customer to be confident that when you call us with a problem, that we will take care of it. Another one of our core values at Edifice is to own our mistakes. And this plays right into the warranty detail that we're talking about here today. When you buy a building, it's not done when the driver delivers, shakes your hand, and drives away. In your hand, you'll be holding a delivery packet with a warranty statement in there. And that warranty statement has your shed serial number on it, it has your name on it, and it has our commitment on it. We hope that this builds confidence from you towards us, and we don't expect you to be the only one remembering about this warranty. In fact, we reach out to our customers on a yearly basis and remind all of you that, hey, you have a warranty. If you have an issue, we want to know about it. We are here to serve you, and we recognize that there are a lot of great options out there for storage solutions, but we do hope you choose to go with Edifice and allow us to bring quality to your life through one of our products.